Again, for our next game. Hala, parang kilala ko yung mga nasa South Spiders na yan. Mga pili ba yan? Hello guys, nice to see you again. Okay, sige po.
Asin-asin! Tako doon, coach. Guys, kahit na ako. Ang mayak yun. Parang sila ang team lang. Parang makasali sa mga ano sila team? Kaya yung coach niya.
R5 po ng both teams. Again, R5 ng both teams. Coach Lane, R5 po. Captain Paul po ng South Spiders. Again, Captain Paul ng South Spiders. South Spiders. mic check. Paging Alexa. Alexa. Alexa, where are you? Alexa.
Ay, ito.
Paging, stop. Paging, stop. Alina. Paging. Stop.
Delikado yun. Kasi nagpa-vaccinate ka ba?
Paging, Christian Daray. Paging, Christian Daray.
Pag nag-isip, wala na.
Paging, Christian Daray. Paging, Christian Daray.
Tulog ka na ulit. Tulog ka na ulit. Pamot ka.
Now, after this game, ang next game po natin is Elevate Manila versus Lukban. Get ready na rin po ang mga girls natin sa pag-Elevate Manila and Lukban.
Ayun ba tayo? Mamaya na ako. Ayun ba tayo? Reset niya, binigay niya sa amin. How much yan? Ayun, mahal.
Go Bluebell! Ang mga bikini nandiyan na.
Raging Ace, Coach Ace Rojas.
Okay? And blind both teams. Again for our night judge for this game, the Brand Boys. Okay, welcome for the first game for the women's senior division. This is between the Elevate PF Elite Girls versus the South Spikers. Good luck for both teams.
Andrea.
Okay, for 6. Again, next game po natin is Elevate Manila versus Lukban Women's Division. Okay, Lukban Girls and Elevate Manila.
Sige, di ko ba?
Diyan ka na. Kumain ka na eh.
Nakasinan eh.
Asin. For 6 po, for 6.
Bubutos ko yun. Sino daw yun?
Okay? First survey, jersey number 11, Sarina. Shoutout nga pala sa pinaka-poging coach ng Elevate. Kakarating lang, Coach Green. And service aids for jersey number 11, Sarina Lotroño. Score is 1-0. Still survey, jersey number 11, Sarina. Another good serve, got the jersey number 15. Over. Another service ace for jersey number 11, Sarina. Still serving, jersey number 11, Sarina. Another good serve. And service ace again for jersey number 11, Sarina. Our score is 3-0 in favor of Elite Girls. Still serving, Sarina. Another good serve. Receive. Set by Mami Kai. Drop ball by Chul. And nice by jersey number 5, Althea D.
Hindi ko galing to.
Wow, Ryder. Still on serving jersey number 11.
Sabi ko yung pakarin dito, isa dito.
Nice serve. Get by jersey number 15, Alex Hinover. Kinuha ni Mami Cap, isinet ni Papaluwi ni Sophia. Outside. Score is 4-1. Still in favor of Elite Girls. Flash daw po sa mga nagbibideo. Wait lang po, wait lang po. Wala pa pong whistle. Now serving jersey number 15, Santo Domingo. Good serve. Get by Jewel. Set by Riley. Sophia, drop ball. Get by Sophia. Mamikai. Over by D. Alex. Nice set, nice drop, but there's a violation, crossing violation committed. Our score is 5-1. Now serving jersey number 8, Riley Narne. Service error. Score 5-2 in favor of the Elite Girls. Now serving Alex. Net over score is 6-2 in favor of the Elite Girls. Now serving jersey number 3, Sophia. Good serve. Get by jersey number 2. Over. Hey, nice save. Score is 6-3. Still in favor of the Elite Girls. Now serving jersey number 2. Good serve. Get by Mamikai. Set by Riley. Olivia. Not over. Score is 6-4. Now serving jersey number 2. Good serve. Get by Andy. Set by Riley. Drop ball again. Over by Alex. Get by Mamikai. Set by Riley. Jewel. Score is 6-5. Isa na lang po ang lamang ng Elite Girls.
Laro si Jun.
Still serving jersey number 2. Good serve. Get by Andy. Set by Riley. Mamikai. Outside. Score is 0-6. Still observing jersey number 2. Good serve, received by June, set by Riley, Olivia, drop ball, but not over. Score is 7-6, change favor. Lamang na po ng isa ang South Spiders. Substitution, jersey number 8 out, jersey number 19 in. Oo nga, 6-7 nga, no? Sorry. Mga bata ngayon, alim na alim sa 6-7. Kaka-tiktok nyo yan. Good. Outside, score is 8-6. Lobo-lobo na ang kalamangan ng South Spiders. Mamaya. Still on serving, jersey number 2. serve. Get by Abigay. Set by Riley. Jul. Set by Alex. Score is 8-7. Isa na lang po ang lamang ng South Spiders. Now serving jersey number 5, Altea D. Good serve. Get by jersey number 2. Over by jersey number 15. Set by Riley. Sar. Pumalo. Set by Alex. Nice set. Doesn't not over. Score is 0-8. Still at serving, jersey number 5, Altea D. Good serve. And service ace for jersey number 5, D. Still serving, jersey number 5, D. Service error, score is 0-9. Again for this game, this is race to 80 points, no juice. Now serving jersey number 19. Good serve, get by Sar. Set. Spike by Sar. And we have the spike for jersey number 11, Lodronio. Our score is 10-9. Now serving Erica. What deep set. Star. Oh, there's a violation. A touchdown violation committed by jersey number 19. Sorry. Our score is 0-10. Now serving jersey number 4. Good serve. Uy! Error para kay Erica. Our score is 11-10. Still serving jersey number 4. Another good serve. And service ace for jersey number 4. Our score is 12-10. Dalawa na po ang lamang ng South Spiders. Still serving. Good serve. Set by Riley. Sar in over. Get by jersey number 19. Set by Alex. Pinalo but outside. Score is 12-11 in favor of the South Spiders. Ang haba. Villa Gonzalo. Now serving jersey number 19. Liliana Martin. Service error, score is 13-11. Sabi ko siya, huwag ka mapapakapagod eh. Substitution. Jersey number 3 in, 11 out. Ano? Now serving. Service error, score is 13-12. Isa na po ang inahabol ng Indian Girls. Now serving jersey number 3, Brianna Santos. Good serve. And service ace for jersey number 3, Brianna. Our score is 0-13. Still on serving jersey number 3, Santos. Another good serve. Get by Alex. Good! Get by Riley. Mamikai. Sofia. Top spin. Yun lang. Inside. Score is 14-13. Lamang pa rin po ng isa ang South Spikers. Now serving jersey number 15. Get by Jewel. Set by Riley. Jewel. Get. Score is 15-13. Substitution. Jewel out. Sabina in. Number 0 na lang si Sabina. Now serving jersey number 15, Santo Domingo. Good serve. Get by Mamikai. Set. Sofia. Outside. Service error. Score is 16-13. Dalawa na lang. Last two. Good serve. Get by Sal. Set. Sal. Not over. Set point para sa South Spikers. Another good serve. Get by Mamikai. Set by Riley. Sofia. Drop ball. Get by jersey number 2. Set by Alex. Ganda ng set ni Alex. Sabina, and that will be the end of our game. Our score is 18-13. The winner is the South Spikers.